Wir, first person, plural, we. Form is simple. The pronoun wir is combined with the ending en. That means it's the same as the infinitive form of the most verbs. Wir wohnen in Köln. We live in Köln. Wir lernen Deutsch. We learn German. Let's see, ihr, sie, that's you, but plural, you. Similar to the singular form, there are both informal and formal ways to address multiple people in German. We say informal way is to say ihr, and formal way is to say sie. Sie, as you noticed, is the same like addressing one person. If you address her or him formally. So, wo wohnt ihr? Where do you live? Plural and informal. Wo wohnt ihr? Was macht ihr hier? What are you doing here? Informal, plural. But now, formal, plural. Wo wohnen Sie? Where do you live? Wo wohnen Sie? Was machen Sie hier? What are you doing here? Plural, formal. There is also the form of sie for they. They. When referring to multiple people, we say sie. It is used, sie is used, but lowercase. It's not like formal uppercase, but lowercase s. And the verb again ends with en. Und woher kommen Sie? And where do you come from? Jutta und Bernd, was machen Sie? Jutta und Bernd, what are they doing? They. So, we should understand Sie and Sie, the differences between formal and informal Sie. The word Sie can be confusing when first learning German because it has different meanings. Sie with a lowercase s can mean either she or even they. Please pay attention. She and they. In German, there is only one present tense form, which can represent both the simple present and the continuous present in English. We say, trinkt Bier. He drinks beer. Or, he is drinking beer. Er trinkt Bier. Sie spielt Fußball. She plays football. Or she is playing football. Okay, thanks for your attention. See you soon.